sew the facing, start with the cuffed part. After sewing the cuffed part, top stitch it first before sewing the opening, the slit in front of the neckline. That's how I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to be attaching this loop. This loop is for button. So instead of creating a buttonhole, you can use this loop as a button. So you can see it can go through it. You find a button that is perfect size, and I'll be needing just one of it, and it comes in multiple colors. As you can see, I'll be needing just one because I am putting only one button at the center of the neckline. After sewing the cuffed part of the neckline and top stitching it, you're going to take this loop, place it in between the facing and the main fabric, and then you're going to go ahead and sew it. That's to sew the opening, the slit opening in front. This is the front neckline, so you can see, and don't forget to use hemming gum to sew the neckline like you see in the video. So turning it to the right side, you can see the loop. Just go ahead and iron. Because of the hemming gum that is in between, when you iron it will lay very flat. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and join the shoulders.